Welcome back to DriveFactor. Today we're diving into a full review of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, heavily modified and built to turn heads on every terrain. The moment you look at it, the exterior tells you everything you need to know. It's bold, unapologetically rugged, and extremely modern. The massive front grille sits confidently between sharp, aggressive LED headlights with sleek daytime running lights that seem to stare ahead with purpose. The hood lines are muscular, giving the vehicle a powerful stance before it even moves. Wide fenders, chunky off-road tires, and premium alloy wheels make it clear this isn't just for the city, it's ready for mountains, deserts, and everything in between. Roof rails, skid plates, and a redesigned bumper add a practical yet stylish touch, while the upright tailgate and LED taillights complete the strong rear look. Overall, this modified Land Cruiser looks like a modern luxury tank that refuses to be ignored. Step inside and the transformation continues. The interior of this 2026 model feels like a blend of Japanese craftsmanship, advanced technology, and premium comfort. The leather upholstery is soft, supportive, and beautifully stitched, wrapping around plush seats that make long trips effortless. Depending on the configuration, there's seating for up to 7 people, and every passenger gets generous head and legroom. The cabin layout is clean and ergonomic, focusing on driver convenience. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits proudly in the center, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides crisp graphics and real-time vehicle information. The multifunctional steering wheel itself feels substantial and luxurious, giving the driver complete control without distraction. Ambient lighting, soft-touch materials, metallic trim pieces, and noise insulation elevate the interior from rugged SUV to luxury lounge. Dual-zone or even tri-zone climate control ensures every passenger stays comfortable, and the upgraded sound system fills the cabin with rich audio, whether you're cruising highways or crawling over rocks. Even with heavy modifications, the practicality, durability, and refinement Toyota is known for remain untouched. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Land Cruiser's reputation truly comes alive. Depending on the market and spec, the 2026 model is equipped with either a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 petrol engine or a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine paired to a smooth, responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. The petrol engine delivers around 409 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque, giving it powerful acceleration and confident towing ability. The diesel variant offers similar torque, making it perfect for long-distance touring and off-road torque demands. Some modified versions even come with enhanced exhaust systems, suspension lifts, snorkels, upgraded air intakes, and reinforced underbody protection designed for extreme off-roading. Despite its massive size, the Land Cruiser feels surprisingly agile thanks to weight reduction in the new chassis. Off-road systems like full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, crawl control, multiple terrain modes, and a low-range transfer case give drivers capability that few SUVs in the world can match. The suspension system, especially with modern enhancements, absorbs rough terrain effortlessly, keeping the ride comfortable and stable. On the highway, it offers smooth acceleration, quiet cabin experience, and confident handling, making it just as suitable for luxury travel as it is for rugged adventure. Fuel efficiency has also improved compared to older generations, thanks to advanced engineering, turbocharging, and better weight distribution. While it's still a large SUV with serious power, owners report noticeably better mileage than expected from something this capable. Braking performance is solid and dependable, and advanced safety features such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, multiple airbags, and stability control systems ensure peace of mind whether you're driving through busy cities or remote wilderness. Now when it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series isn't cheap, and it's not meant to be. It's a flagship luxury off-roader with a legendary heritage and world-class engineering, so the price reflects that. Depending on the market, trim level, hybrid or non-hybrid powertrain, modifications, custom packages, import duties, and availability, the price can vary significantly. In some countries, the newer hybrid models are listed in premium ranges due to their improved performance and efficiency, while modified or limited edition models can reach extremely high figures. For serious Land Cruiser enthusiasts, collectors, off-road adventurers, and luxury buyers, the cost is justified by what the vehicle delivers: durability, safety, reliability, comfort, and unmatched off-road capability. At the end of the day, the heavily modified 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series continues the legacy of toughness and dependability while embracing modern technology and luxury design. The exterior looks intimidating and futuristic, the interior offers comfort and sophistication, the performance is powerful and confidence-inspiring, and the off-road engineering remains among the best in the world. Whether you're exploring remote locations, driving through harsh weather, or simply cruising in the city, this Land Cruiser stands strong as a symbol of prestige, adventure, and engineering excellence. Thanks for watching DriveFactor. See you in the next review.